openment.
A student of Shillong Polytechnic Maulai on Monday committed suicide by hanging. The student was a resident of Tura West Garo Hills. Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi said police are treating this as a case of suicide. When asked, Ravi said Maulai Police Station this morning got information from the warden of Women Hostel of Shillong Polytechnic Institute at Maulai that one student had committed suicide by hanging. Police said the investigation is going on as nothing can be ruled out.
Warden of Women Hostel at Shillong Polytechnic Institute at Maulai that one lady had committed suicide by hanging, and that this fact was discovered at around 2 a.m. approximately at around 2 a.m.
The Meghalaya